RYOBI 80-volt, HP Brushless ZR3 42-inch electric zero-turn riding mower. Bagging kit installation guide. Tools needed are a 15mm socket wrench, torque wrench, and a block of wood. This kit includes an installation guide, high-lift bagging blades, mower blades, bagger bracket, hitch pin, bagger cover, bags, upper and lower bagger tubes, deck baffle, and assembly tools and hardware. Removing the cutting deck. Move the mower to a level surface, then ensure the drive levers are in the open, neutral position and the blade engage knob is down. Stop the motor, remove the start key, and set the parking brake. Compress the deck height pedal and adjust the deck height dial to the lowest position. Lift the seat, open the battery cover, and disconnect the battery quick connect plugs. Disconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Press upwards on the deck latch and rotate toward the front of the mower. Repeat for both sides of the mower. Lift the deck and slide forward to detach the deck clip from the hook. Slide the deck out from under the mower. Installing the blades. Wedge a block of wood between the blade and mower deck to prevent the blade from turning. Loosen the blade nut by turning it counterclockwise using a 15mm wrench or socket wrench. Remove the blade nut, spring washer, and blade. Ensure the blade adapter and flat washer are properly seated. Place the new blade on the shaft against the corresponding blade posts on the adapter. Ensure the blade is properly seated with the shaft going through the center blade hole, and the two blade posts are inserted into their respective holes on the blade. Verify the blade is installed with the curved ends pointing up toward the mower deck and not down toward the ground. Replace the spring washer with the concave surface facing the blade, then thread the blade nut on the shaft and finger tighten. Use the torque wrench to tighten the blade nut according to the operator's manual. Installing the baffle. Remove the 3 screws from the cutting deck. Align the threaded studs and holes on the baffle with the holes on the underside of the deck. Using the washers and screws included, screw the baffle onto the deck. Use the nuts to secure the threaded studs. Tighten securely. To reinstall the cutting deck, move the deck back under the mower, then lift and slide backward to attach the deck to the hooks. Pull the deck pin handles to lock the deck latches, then reconnect the cables that connect the cutting deck to the mower. Installing the bagger. Slide the bagger bracket into the square hitch receiver on the rear of the mower and align the holes. Slide the hitch pin through the holes and secure with the clip. Place the cover assembly on top of the bracket shafts with the openings on the cover assembly sliding over the bracket shafts until fully seated. Raise the cover all the way up and slide the bags onto the bagger frame. Lower the cover and secure using the rubber latch, sliding it over the pin and behind the tab. Thread the upper end of the upper bagger tube into the hole in the side of the bagger cover assembly, turning clockwise. Continue threading until the tube is fully seated and the arrows are aligned. Lift the side discharge chute. Install the bottom bagger tube to the side discharge outlet by placing the opening over the tab on the mower deck frame, aligning the secondary tab with the opening on the deck, then hooking the fasteners to the frame. Using the handle on the upper bagger tube, align the arrow on the handle with the groove on the lower bagger tube, and slide into place securely. Have additional questions? Call RYOBI customer service at 1-800-525-2579 or visit ryobitools.com.